Cryptocurrency explained, the future of money or just hype? Imagine waking up one day to find that the paper money in your wallet is completely useless. Instead, all transactions are digital, stored on an unbreakable ledger, and controlled by no single government or bank. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this is the world of cryptocurrency, an innovation that has already changed how people think about money, finance, and even trust. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? How does it work? And why does it matter? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why crypto is more than just digital money. It's a technological revolution with the power to reshape economies, industries, and even our daily lives. The origins: why was cryptocurrency invented? To understand cryptocurrency, we need to go back to 2008, a year of financial chaos. The global financial crisis exposed the vulnerabilities of traditional banking systems, sparking distrust in centralized financial institutions. Enter an anonymous figure or group called Satoshi Nakamoto, who proposed an alternative: Bitcoin. It wasn't just digital money, it was a decentralized system that allowed people to send and receive funds without relying on banks. The goal? To create a financial system that was transparent, secure, and free from government control. Since Bitcoin's creation, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with unique functions and purposes. But at the core, they all operate on the same revolutionary concept: blockchain technology. How cryptocurrency works: the power of blockchain. At its core, cryptocurrency is just data, digital tokens that represent value. But what makes them special is the way they are recorded and verified. Instead of relying on banks to track transactions, cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology. Think of a blockchain as a digital ledger, like an ultra-secure notebook where every transaction is permanently recorded. But unlike a traditional ledger controlled by a single entity, this one is decentralized, meaning no single person or institution has control. Every time a transaction is made, it gets added to a block. Once the block is full, it gets sealed and linked to the previous block, creating a chain, hence the name blockchain. Because the blockchain is public and maintained by a network of computers worldwide, it's incredibly difficult to hack, manipulate, or alter past transactions. This decentralized nature is what makes cryptocurrency so unique. Trust is built into the system, rather than relying on a third party like a bank. Beyond Bitcoin, the rise of altcoins and smart contracts. Bitcoin may be the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, but it's far from the only one. Ethereum, for example, introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with terms directly written into code. This technology goes beyond money, allowing developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps, that can run without a central authority. Other cryptocurrencies serve different purposes. Some aim to provide faster transactions. Others prioritize privacy, and some are tied to real-world assets like gold or the US dollar. The crypto world is constantly evolving, with new innovations and use cases emerging all the time. The benefits and risks: is crypto really the future of money? Cryptocurrency offers several advantages that traditional financial systems struggle to match. Decentralization removes the need for banks, reducing fees and increasing financial inclusion worldwide. Transparency means transactions can be verified by anyone, reducing fraud and corruption. Accessibility allows anyone with an internet connection to participate, opening new opportunities for the unbanked population. But it's not all perfect. The world of cryptocurrency comes with significant risks. Price volatility means values can skyrocket or crash in a matter of hours. Security concerns arise from hacking, scams, and lost passwords, which can result in irreversible losses. Regulatory uncertainty leaves many investors questioning the long-term stability of crypto markets. Debunking common myths about cryptocurrency. Myth: cryptocurrency is just for criminals. Reality: while it's true that some illicit activities have used crypto, the vast majority of transactions are legal. In fact, blockchain technology makes transactions traceable, often more so than traditional banking. Myth: cryptocurrency has no real value. Reality: value is determined by demand. Just like gold or stocks, cryptocurrencies have value because people believe in their usefulness, scarcity, and potential future adoption. Myth: crypto will replace traditional money soon. Reality: while adoption is growing, cryptocurrency still faces challenges in scalability, regulation, and mass acceptance before it can become a mainstream replacement for fiat currency. Fun facts about cryptocurrency. The first real-world Bitcoin transaction was for 2 pizzas, costing 10,000 BTC, an amount now worth hundreds of millions of dollars. The total supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million coins, making it a scarce digital asset, unlike traditional currency, which can be printed endlessly. What does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Will cryptocurrency become the dominant form of money, or will it fade into obscurity? The truth likely lies somewhere in between. Many experts believe that blockchain technology will continue to play a major role in finance, even if traditional banks and governments find ways to regulate and integrate it. Countries are already exploring digital currencies, and major corporations are investing in blockchain solutions. One thing is certain, cryptocurrency has already changed the financial landscape, sparking debates about what money should be, who controls it, and how we use it. Whether you see it as the future of finance or just a passing trend, understanding how it works is more important than ever. Conclusion. So, what do you think? Is cryptocurrency a groundbreaking innovation or just a speculative bubble? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss our future explorations into science, technology, and the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching NeuralNet Academy, and we'll see you in the next one.